Hi viewers, my name is Jeet Shah. I am from Kharkia Higher Secondary School. I am from science stream and my standard is class 12. So here I am with a project. This project is aimed at low cost waste segregation and disposal systems. It's aimed at considered under green cycle, because green cycle is a project announced by our government also, implemented by many faculties and team members. This green cycle is actually based on to conserve the green elements. What are the green elements? The green elements are the trees, the mountains, and considered under rivers and our many natural resources like our fruits and our fertilizers. So now our plan is with the introduction of our project is mainly introduced to have a good facility over the local communities and rural areas. So this project is highly aimed at low cost system. So what we can do further to proceed with the project? We are going to announce disposal systems for the biodegradable waste, for the recyclable waste, and for the harmful waste. We are going to announce 3 bin systems that will be colored green, blue, and red. So our recyclable system is aimed with bins. We are going to announce these 3 bins. The one is the red, one is the blue, and another red. So one is the green, blue, and red. So this green will be for the biodegradable waste. This blue will be for the harmful, for the plastics or for the non-biodegradable waste that we cannot let it for on the surface of the soil, because it will harm and pollute the environment. And this red is for the hazardous waste like the batteries or many acidic waste. Okay, like many waste from the hospitals and clinics. So what we are going to do is with that we will just accumulate the resources under the green pot or the green bins, and we will transport it to digs. We will dig a pit and then let it under the soil, so that those resources that are biodegradable will get compost under the soil and will enrich the farmers and for good fertilizers and harvesting. Then we will do what is that we will whatever the plastics are there, we will use the plastics for road laying purposes, because earlier a doctor named the doctor is from as engineer. Doctor is actually an engineer. He have implemented plastics for road purposes. He have laid plastics on the road, and these plastics are not disturbing the environment. They are actually doing a good purpose. They are laying on the roads and not affecting the environment. Now the main impact is that the hazardous waste. Hazardous waste? So we are going to implement this to the municipal boards, because we cannot handle it with care, because there can be explosives, this can be destructive, and this can erode the soil nature and plants living. So our fresh clean information given to our viewers is that our project is mainly focused as a public service, and this public service needs a helpful hand of every citizen. Thank you.